All right. Few things that are going to overlap in this particular highlight that we had talked about in real time. First of all, we had a weak first 30 minutes, and then all of a sudden we had a nice pop. But you can't just pick a bottom by putting in bids and hope that you're right. You're going to have to read the real time. Two things happened. First of all, we flew out of this base with a lot of longs that puked. And finally, when we got above this green, all right, these green hollow blocks, you don't have to be long, but you definitely shouldn't be bearish or as bearish. Then we reconsolidate right in here. And you keep this in mind over there with the fact of once we get through most of this, we're going to take out the top. Don't be stuck short. What we get, though, is a reconsolidation right in here. We call them congestion boxes. And the chance that to continue the upside, you get a head fake lower to go higher. The whole point of a head fake to go higher in this case is to shake out weak longs. You can't have too many people long in a market to go up and to go up fast. So you go up fast in here, and then you got to get rid of some more longs by going down and coming back up. You shake out the longs all the time you see the green blocks that we have on this vertical in here. Now, what's also interesting, which you got to pay attention to, is we had a similar, a very similar pattern in both the NASDAQ over here and the Russell down here. They both had a head fake, consolidation in here, down to go up. Russell, same way. Then as we kind of go and drill into what it looks like, if it's indeed going to be a head fake, you'll see the laser go red, a bunch of shorts come in, sell pulses that get rejected, and the market then becomes boom. There's the move. Let me show you. This is the move down through this consolidation all in here to pop. And then you'll see it here in the Russell. It goes through these lows. It'll come up. You see it here in the NASDAQ. Goes through these lows. If it comes back in this consolidation, they all three do it. You just have to scratch your head and not get stuck short, not get stuck bearish. When we break as much as we did in the first half hour, a lot of people miss the sell, and they either try to buy it for the wrong reasons because they missed the short and they're too early, and therefore are long too early and get stuck that way, or they start selling on the way up because they think it's going to stay weak forever, and they don't catch these transitions. So just watch in here. You get a sell pulse, that purple box. Boom. These two get rejected. This one and this one quickly rejected. You could see the laser go from green to red inside, meaning more shorts than longs. Keep it simple. You get the same thing in here. You got a red inside laser in the Russell. Over here, a red laser in the NASDAQ. They're both all trying to jump back into the prior consolidation. You're anticipating this. So when they get back in there, like drive back in here in the NASDAQ, these consolidation tops up here are in trouble. Look at that Russell. It lagged. These consolidation tops in here are in trouble. And you could see the ES did it first. They got through the middle of this junk, and these consolidation tops are in trouble. The laser switched and went red, which is bullish. These purple boxes are big sellers that get rejected and laughed at, and wham, up we go. And you get an iceberg chasing it. You get some buy pulses that rejected it, created a little bit of a slide lower, and then they resumed the upside, staying bullish. You can look here in the bottom right, seeing the Russell take off the top. There's other things in here, but all you need is to keep it simple. It's not simple to have these things up on a chart. There's no other platform has it, but it is simple to understand how to read it, to create your bias, as we do in here.